While I am typically a Traveler's Company notebook user, occasionally Hobonichi products catch my eye. I've been looking for a 5-year journal, and this new 2025 to 2029 special edition for Hobonichi 5-year journal really caught my eye, and I had to have it. Along with it, I also purchased the Hobonichi papers, which I love to use as scratch paper and letter writing. I have 2 other editions that I've used and loved in the past. This is the Hobonichi Papers Yumi Kitagishi edition that I'm currently using. The paper is cute to use on its own and it tears out perfectly. I also have this unused Hiroko Kubota Aurora Duty edition from last year that I haven't opened yet. And now for the main event, the 5-year journal Haconiwa gift set. I bought this gift box off the Amazon Japan store for 15,400 yen, which is what the price of the item in Japan is without a markup. This comes out to just under $109 with the exchange rate currently. This box set on the Hobonichi store is $140, so I definitely recommend going the Amazon route. The box set is beautifully packaged with gold foiling along the spine. The box opens like an envelope. This is the artist's card where you can learn more about Iyo Okumi, who is an embroidery artist and illustrator. The gift set includes a cover and a pencil board by Iyo Okumi. The cover is made of a white canvas and has an intricate embroidery pattern on the front and an embroidered butterfly on the back. The back of the gift box is honestly my favorite part of the gift set. I love the imagery of a girl curled up in the foliage surrounded by a jungle. The blue box inside this gift set contains the Hobonichi 5-year journal from the years 2025 to 2029. You can buy this separately on the Hobonichi store for $42 or get it at a discount on amazon.co.jp. The journal starts with a yearly view for each of the 5 years. Then it has a full spread for each day of the year. On the left page of the spread, there are 5 blocks for each year. The right side is a blank grid paper for any additional content you want to include. The cover also has a built-in pen loop, and I have just the pen to go with this journal. I recently acquired a Sailor World Tea Time Moroccan Mint Tea fountain pen, and the colors go so well together with this cover. Unfortunately, the pen loop is too slim to fit a fountain pen, but I was able to use the pen clip to hold it together. I'm a bit sad to put this away for the moment, but I'm so excited to start using the setup for the next 5 years. I'm planning to put my daily memories in this journal so I can look back through the years with ease. Do you have a 5-year journal? What do you use it for? Send me your ideas. Thanks.